So in this video, I'll show you how you can create Flash USDT. Now, one of my steps, first go to remix.ethereum bibliography and click on play new file and new blank file and type usdt.sol. We will use this code to make Flash USDT. Now select all the code and copy and paste here into Remix. Close it and now go to Solidity compiler. Choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click on compile USU.sol. If now go to deploy and ground transaction, choose environment, browser extension and injected provider MetaMask. My account is now connected. Unlock your MetaMask wallet. You need 0.03 and some extra Ethereum to the gas fee. And now go to deploy and modify section, add the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT. Now click on transact and on max fee type 1. I've confirmed. Now deploy the contract, confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Wait for a few moments. So transaction is complete. Then close the execution. Now go to deployed contract section. This is very important step. Now copy the deployed contract address and now go to etherscan.io and paste your address. So we have just created this new contract address. So we have to send here 0.03 Ethereum. You can copy from Etherscan also to make sure everything goes right. Paste your contract address and grab 0.03 to create 30,000 Flash USDT. Then use 0.05 Ethereum to create 50,000 USDT. So confirm. So transaction is complete. Let's refresh the page to see. So you have said, let's refresh the page. So our balance is now showing on our contract access. Let's go back to the mix. Our balance is also showing in our remix. Now click on start and again do the same on max if you type 1 and confirm again on MetaMask. So turn this in normal print close the extension and now click on Witcher. Again, do the same on max range type 1 and confirm. Confirm on MetaMask also. So we have done all the process. Now close the extension and let's open our MetaMask and check. Alright, so we have received 30,000 Flash USDT. There then just put it to every wallet or exchange or any banking platform. So if you have any queries, you then contact me on Telegram. Thank you. Guys, thank you for watching the video. So I hope you liked it.